Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to discuss few more questions of 1 marks. This is the part 10 and previously we have uploaded 9 parts. I request you to go through all these 9 parts so that you will get an idea which type of questions can be asked as 1 mark questions and how to deal with such questions. So go to the playlist and watch all the 9 parts. Let us move to the first question of today's episode. Now here is the first question on the screen. If xy is equal to 180 and HCF of x and y is equal to 3, then find LCM of x and y. Friends, x and y are the two numbers whose HCF is given as 3 and the product of that two numbers is given as 180 and we have to find the LCM of that two numbers. Friends, we know that LCM of the two numbers multiplied by HCF of that two numbers, that is equal to the product of the two numbers. So LCM we have to calculate. So LCM of x and y multiplied by HCF is given to us, that is 3. So it will be 3, which is equal to product of the two numbers, and directly the product of the two numbers is given to us, that is 180. So 3 ones are 3, 3 6s are 18 and 3 zeros are 0, and therefore LCM of x and y, that is equal to 60. So friends, LCM of the given two numbers x and y is 60. Move to the next question. Here is another question. In the figure, find PS. We have to find PS, means this distance we have to find. It is given that PQ is equal to QR is equal to 1. PQ is given as 1 unit and PR is given as 1 unit, and also RS is given as √2 centimeter. So this two should be in centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. PQ is given as 1 centimeter. QR is given as 1 centimeter. RS is given as √2 centimeter, and this angle is 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree, and we have to find the length PS. So for that, first we will take this triangle PQR. So in triangle PQR, we have, since this is a right angle triangle, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So it will be PR square, square of the hypotenuse, that is PR square, which is equal to sum of the squares of the two legs, that is PQ square plus QR square, PQ square plus QR square. And therefore PR square that we are finding, we do not know, so it will be as it is, PR square, that is equal to PQ square, that is 1 square, plus QR square, that is also 1 square. So PR square, that is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2, and taking square root of both the sides, so PR, that is equal to square root of 2 centimeter. And so here we have got PR, this as square root of 2 centimeter. Now we have to find PS, and triangle RPS is also a right angle triangle because this is 90 degree and PS will be the hypotenuse. So further we will solve this in triangle PRS. In this triangle, PS square, square of the hypotenuse, that is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, that is PR square plus PS square, PR square plus PS square. So which is equal to PR is what, √2. So √2 square plus √2 square. So it will be √2 square plus √2 square. And so which is equal to √2 square, that will be 2, plus root 2 square, that will be 2, and so PS square is equal to 4. PS square is equal to 4, taking square root of both the sides, so PS is equal to 2 centimeter. So here we have got the answer that PS is equal to 2 centimeter. Now move to the another question. Here is the next question on the screen, that find the distance between the points A whose coordinates are 7 and 3 and B whose coordinates are 6 and 5, and we have to find the distance between the 2 points A and B. So AB is equal to square root of, the formula is what, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So which is equal to x2 minus x1, that is 7 minus 6. If you take this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2, then it will be 7 minus 6. So square root of 7 minus 6 bracket square plus y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 5 bracket square. So which is equal to 7 minus 6, that is 1, and 1 square will be 1, plus 3 minus 5, that will be minus 2, and square of minus 2, that will be 4. So which is equal to square root of 5, and therefore the distance between the 2 points A and B will be the square root of 5 units. Here don't forget to write the units in the answer, because this step is also important. Without units you will reduce half mark. So here AB, that distance will be equal to root 5 units. Now see the another question. Which term of AP 18, 15, 12 dash 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 is minus 6? We have to find minus 6 is which term of that AP, of this given AP, whether it is 7th term, 5th term, 12th term, or whatever it may be. So we have to find that. So the given AP is 18, 15, then 12, then dash dash. So here A will be equal to 18, then D will be equal to D. That will be equal to what? Second term minus first term, that is 15 minus 18, that will be minus 3, and minus 6 is the last term, AN, that is equal to minus 6. Friends, we know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN we know, so that is minus 6, which is equal to A, that is the first term is 18, plus N minus 1 into D, and the common difference is minus 6 multiplied by minus 6. So take 18 to this side, so it will be minus 18, correct? It will be minus 18, so minus 6 minus 18, that will be minus 24, which is equal to, this will be N minus 1 into minus 6. So divide by minus 6 here, so it will be minus and minus will be plus, and 6 4 are 24, and so N minus 1, that is equal to 4. Take 1 to this side, so that will become plus 1, so 4 plus 1, that will be 5. So the fifth term will be the term of AP, which will be minus 6. So the correct answer is N is equal to 5. Now see the another question. Find the negative real root of the equation 18x square minus 1 is equal to 0. The given polynomial equation is 18x square minus 1, which is equal to 0, and we have to find the negative root of this equation. So if you take 1 to other side, it will be 81x square, that is equal to 1. Take 1 to other side. Now take 81 to other side, so it will be x square, which is equal to 1 by 81. Now take the square root of both the sides, so it will be x. is equal to plus minus 1 by 9. Square root of 1 will be 1 and square root of 81 will be 9. So x means the roots of this quadratic equation is plus minus 1 by 9. But we have to write only the negative real root, and so the required answer, therefore the required negative root, that will be equal to x is equal to minus 1 upon 9. Now move to the next question. Find the value of 2 tan 60 upon 1 minus tan square 60. So which is equal to 2 into tan of 60. Tan 60 is what? It is root 3 upon 1 minus tan 60, again it will be root 3, so it will be root 3 bracket square. So which is equal to 2 root 3 upon 1 minus root 3 square will be 3. And so which is equal to 2 root 3 upon 1 minus 3, that will be minus 2. 2 will get cancelled, and so it is equal to minus root 3, and therefore the required value is minus root 3. Friends, I hope we should stop here now, and I think that you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.